A little bit of dairy in it.
Some of the fat
Really?
out of this.
Yeah. You know, potatoes, they're interesting.
That makes sense.
Wait till you actually start cutting them up.
Yeah.
You videoing or are you? Wow. This is pathetic.
Just need a little chunk.
Just do the onions, guys.
Oh yeah.
You need that. You're fast. And then I just slice them like maybe 3 or 4 parts. You watch your thumb and your fingers. You can make it bigger, smaller, just little cubes like this. And
Just means I have
what
to
if
do
you turn it this way so you don't have to go, no!
What?
Cut it this way.
Oh, I see.
You come all the way to the white part, you don't want the yellow part. And you'll need 2 onions for this big pot at least.
Unless you don't like onions.
But it won't take this.
Oh,
Yeah, you
I
don't
see.
taste the onion. Yeah. It like cooks down.
Okay, and you cut this off too. Then you have one. The best trick. Cut it in half. And then you look, this is the root part and this is the top part. So you start at you keep the root part together. You don't cut all the way through. So you cut about, see this much? What is it, 1/4 inch?
Oh, you're not cutting all the way through it.
No, I don't. I don't, the tip doesn't go all the way through.
Why are you doing it like that?
So it doesn't fall apart. And then in the middle you cut all the way through. So you have 2 halves. And you do the same thing here. And then you take your thumb
Cut your
away.
finger off.
So you don't
Because
cut,
you've got 10 of them.
you don't cut it. And there. And then you just turn it and you just do the same thing this way. See, it keeps together. It doesn't fall apart. I didn't. Then you put a little bit of oil to cover the bottom. A little bit.
Okay, and you said medium-high heat.
Yeah.
Hey Grandma, how many potatoes do you need?
How many do you have?
7, and I'm feeling it.
2 more. The how should I say? You cannot touch with the knife the board because you are in the air.
This is when we all start crying.
This is not. I don't know. I don't cry, do you?
I didn't notice that.
Or wait, no.
You need to wait for the
Paprika?
right. You have to look at it, and if you see the onion is all glassy and starts to get a little bit yellow, then it's ready for the next thing, next
Paprika.
ingredients. Yeah.
Okay.
Paprika.
If it's still white, it's not done. If it's starting to turn kind of yellowy brown, it's overcooked. So you have to wait till it's kind of glossy. So what did you say? It gets kind of brown on there?
It gets stuck to the bottom a little bit. See this? This is already yellowish.
And that's good.
That's good
Why?
because the onion is ready. And ready to add the next ingredient, which is 1 or 2 spoons of red paprika right in the middle of the
Like a volcano.
in the oil.
I like it.
And then you stir it with the oil. The paprika dissolves in fat.
Oh, weird. So why do you
And
need
then-
to sprinkle it
and
over
then
everything?
you-
Because
then-
you need to dissolve it.
Yeah, and then you just mix it
Oh,
together.
that was clever.
And then you put the potatoes in. The whole thing. Oh, we're gonna have lots of goulash.
It'll cook down.
All right, you want us to mix?
Sure, and we
All right,
put,
so
we
go
put,
for it.
we put,
Ha ha, very funny.
we put salt into
Oh, did you get that in?
What?
A couple spoonfuls of salt. One, two
teaspoon.
teaspoons.
Maybe you'll have to add more later on. So just so it covers the potatoes, about this much.
Okay.
So you can add some more if you need some more.
It doesn't look like goulash soup yet. It's getting there though.
Yeah. Just mix it and cover it with the lid and it'll cook in 10, 15
So you're just putting-
minutes. Salt? Did you put
We
salt?
put the salt and then she mixed it and then you said you put the lid on and then what?
Wait about 10, 15 minutes
Okay,
and you can stir it now and then.
10, 15 minutes. Okay.
Then you test the potato. If it's cooked, then you can get what, two tablespoons? We'll try 2 tablespoons. And we mix it with water.
Okay.
Just put cold water, not hot. If you put hot water in the flour, it
You
will,
make glue.
yeah, you put a little bit and you mix it. Then you have a thick paste.
Okay. So you use flour,
Yes.
and then Sarah was saying if you use, was it garbanzo?
Garbanzo.
Also known as chickpeas. You just blend them up in a food processor and make them.
So that way you have a gluten-free.
I think they might even sell garbanzo beans
Oh,
flour.
garbanzo bean flour.
Yes. And
So you
then-
got it to the right thing, and then you added more water.
Yeah, you want it a little bit thinner. Okay, and you wait till the potatoes are soft. Then you add it in here.
Guys, something's happening.
See these little things? I leave them in the little pieces of flour that didn't get dissolved.
So that thickens up the water.
Yes. And we probably need to add some more. Ian,
What?
maybe we need to add some more water.
Okay.
Here.
Good. Thanks.
So,
And
so
now,
now what?
now we'll wait till it starts to just turn the temperature down.
Doesn't have to boil as much.
Has to boil.
Oh, but not like really fast. Boil.
No. See, it's boiling.
Simmer.
Yes, simmer. That's it.
So wait, you're using that whole thing?
Yeah, for this
Wow.
probably.
Okay.
But we don't have to.
Why are you mixing it?
See these little clumps?
Yeah.
So they don't, well, they probably would dissolve in the soup, but not, if you mix it, it dissolves really
Unless you
easily.
like clumps and sour
Clumps,
cream. in
yeah,
there.
then you don't have to do it. Even if they are not completely cooked, they will still get softer while before we start eating.
You're putting the whole thing in there.
Oh, I might change my mind.
Why?
But I could, it's a big pot.
Why would you change your mind? Just,
Because some people are afraid of the cream, but it tastes better with the cream, right?
yeah, it tastes better.
See these little white spots?
Yeah. You're just mixing them out.
Yes, trying to.
So you just add a little bit, then mix it, then add a little more.
I Usually I don't do that. I usually put everything at once and then I mix.
Well, everyone's watching you today, so yeah, no pressure.
What it means is that it doesn't matter which way you do it. it will work.
Hmm.
Isaac, do you see?
Yeah.
But I know that it's a bad spot.
No, I'm not even paying attention to that really.
What?
I'm doing my homework.
What? You're doing your
This-
homework
this is
over
more-
cooking?
This is more
Taste
important.
it.
Uh-huh.
And if it's what? No, it doesn't taste right, you add more salt.
Yeah.
Does salt fix everything?
Not everything.
Salt makes everything taste better.
That's
Salt and
right.
whipped cream.
You got it.
Ice cream.
Nah, whipped cream.
Whipped cream is good.
Yeah.
And what Grandpa did, he would leave it like this, and then he was waiting for those two little craters, what he called them, right, Sarah?
Like bubbles?
Bubbles. I said, there'll be little craters. And when you see those, then you turn the heat off, and it's done. Now we turn it off.
When you start seeing these little bubbles?
Uh-huh. See, right here.
Does that mean it's okay?
So when you see the bubbles, you turn the heat off,
It's done.
and you know it's done. It's still too hot, huh?
I don't know. I'm gonna wait anyways.
We done?
Well, how's it taste? Is it okay? It worked
help you
really
out.
There's some
hard.
body salt.
Oh yeah, true. I still have that. That's good.
I got you, Isaac.
You got Sadie?
What's Sadie doing down there?